Hi. When designing a model, I suppose like most people, I ask, can I source the bits that I need to build this model? Can I get spinners, wheels and so on? Do they already make retracts? Can I do the flap system okay? And if the answer is no, then it tends to get shelved. So I thought I'd be a bit brave, as we were talking on RC groups about a short Stirling, and have a go at the undercarriage. Now, those of you who know the short Stirling will know that it's a terrible, complicated undercarriage, and the first reaction anybody might have was, "Oh, I'm not having a go at that," which is probably why there aren't any plans, as far as I know, out there for the short Stirling. Okay, if you want to do one, you have to do a small one for hand launching and belly landing. Now I want to do one with a proper retracting undercarriage, and I want to do it at a decent scale as well, something over 100 inch. So I'm going to look at how to make up the undercarriage that I need, but using materials which are readily available. Piano wire and brass tube from the local model shop, and ordinary electrician's solder to join the bits together. So we cut lengths of the piano wire and short lengths of the brass tube, push the tube on the end, solder it up, and then flatten the end beyond the wire to make the joint, and then drill a hole in the flat at the end to make the connection to the next part, and so on. And that way the undercarriage construction builds up, and it actually doesn't look so daunting as you get into it, because you start to see how it's coming together and get more encouraged about the whole job. Now I have to confess, I'm no metal worker. I don't consider myself such, and basically I have no lathe or any special tooling. I have to bash it with a hammer or file it, or I can cut it with tin snips if it's sheet. Beyond that, I'm pretty much stuck and have to call in assistance. So I thought I'd have a go at this one and try and do it from scratch, because if I can do it, I'm darn sure most of you can as well. And I want to encourage you so that at least if and when this design comes out on the market, gets published, and you can buy the plan, you won't immediately feel daunted by the undercarriage and think, I haven't got a chance of making it, I shan't bother. Well, here's the unit. That's the drive position, a worm drive operated by a motor up there one day. I want to get it together. The basic undercarriage, as you can see, the intermediate horizontal drops down, and that's the operation of it. That's full down position, and drawn up. It's spring loaded there so that I can take most of the load off the motor, hopefully. The bits to be made, one section there, the top, front, the main legs, the springing in here, that all goes within the tube there. Then the top trapeze here, and the legs finally from that point. But it seems to work, and I've tried it with it fully down and bashing it on the floor, so it's able to take some punishment. So hopefully that will sort it.